Hi everyone, I just wanted to give you a quick little video about how to access the EverFi site. Some of you have done this already, some of you have started it, some of you have not. Most of you, I believe, do have an account created. If you don't have an account or not sure if you do, you're going to follow the registration button. It's going to ask for the class code, which is in the announcement that you found this link. And if you already have an account, you're going to come back here and log in. Now you can see my username and password has automatically popped in. I'm going to go ahead and sign in because I want to show you all what I see whenever I log in. So I'm going to choose our classes tab. And our internet is being very, very slow today. Hopefully this isn't a sign of things to come. I'm going to scroll down here until I can find our class. And I'm just going to pull that up. If you follow the directions, you should have a account created. The instructions tell you to use your student ID number as your login. It's a required part whenever you created your account. Some of you had issues and needed to add an A after it. I'm just looking here at a random list. So here are some usernames. Some people didn't exactly follow that direction. Some people did it a little bit differently. Some people had to change things because of it gave them an error that it couldn't be all numbers or something to that effect. Anyways, these are the entries that I have so far. If your name is not here, and I'll scroll up slow, you'll need to follow the steps to create an account. Remember, if you follow the directions, your password should be 12345. If the password does not work, then definitely feel free to reach out to me on our Zoom day, and I'll go ahead and get that updated for you at that point. Otherwise, if you didn't see your name in that scrolling list, then you will go through the steps of creating the account. And I'll put those in the announcement as well. Hope everybody is doing well. Look forward to meeting with you next Friday on the 12th, I think is the day. Yep, on the 10th, Friday the 10th. I look forward to talking with you all then. Bye-bye.